Hello, boys and girls. I am so happy to have you here for story time. Before we begin, I need your eyes watching, your ears listening, your body so nice and still, and quiet voices. Let's begin. Do you know it's story time, story time, story time? Do you know it's story time in your home today? And today's story is Harry the Dirty Dog. And the author is Jean Zion, and the pictures are by Margaret Bloy Graham. Let's begin. Here's the title page. And we know that once we get to the title page, the story is ready to begin. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. So one day when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush and buried it in the backyard. Can you see him burying it in the backyard? Can you see that? Then he ran away from home. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He played where they were fixing the street and got very dirty. Can you see him playing? Right here. Very dirty. He played at the railroad and got even dirtier. Oh my goodness. Do we know that train is going to pass through maybe a tunnel? He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. Can you see what they're playing in? More tunnels. Oh my goodness. Look at him. Look at him. He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. In fact, are you ready for this? He changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Oh my word. Look at him up there. Look. Oh boy, is he dirty. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought that he had really run away. He felt tired and hungry too. So without stopping on the way, he ran back home. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in our backyard." But by the way, has anyone seen Harry? When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them he was Harry. He started to do all his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped, and he flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. Look at him doing his tricks. He danced and sang. He did those tricks over and over again. But everyone shook their heads and said, "Oh no, this couldn't be Harry." Oh boy, we have some trouble. Harry gave up and walked slowly to the gate. But suddenly, he stopped. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. He'd found the scrubbing brush, and carrying it in his mouth, he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed, with the family following close behind. Dashing up the stairs. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging. Begging with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he had certainly never done before. "This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl. And her father said, "Well, why don't you and your brother give him one?" "They still don't know that it's Harry." Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy, Daddy, look, look, come quick. It's Harry, it's Harry," they cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly, he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush that he had hidden under his pillow. Can you see the brush under the pillow? And that, my dears, is the story of Harry the Dirty Dog. Are you ready for your assignment? Yes? Perfect. Listen carefully, because the instructions are a little bit complicated. There is no assignment. Today was a story for you to listen to and just enjoy. No assignment. Nothing else is due from story time. Have a good day, my friends. Mwah. Goodbye, boys and girls. Thank you. See you soon.